here we go. Are you ready?
Cheese.
Right. I'm videoing you. All right, go ahead and open it up.
Okay, this says, Brady, boys with broken bones need something to entertain them.
What?
Hope this helps.
What'd we get, Brady? Let's see what you got.
It says it's for Brock.
It says it's for Brock.
That's me.
It says, brothers of boys with broken bones need special attention too. All right.
All right, go ahead and open it.
Here, Brady.
Here, right here at the tape.
Ooh, find a snack, Brady.
You gotta reach in and try and find snacks.
Find snacks?
Can you find a snack? Here, in here.
You gotta tear the tape,
Look
bro.
in here. It's in there.
Look at that, Brady. What are you finding, Brock?
Snacks.
You like snacks?
What's in here? Open it. Get it down there.
Oh, Dad.
What's that?
What'd you find, bud?
Cookies?
Hey,
Hey,
let's look.
and look.
Let's look.
You put it on your finger.
Splat
Put it on
ball.
your finger.
No.
Look, Brock, we got snacks, but there's more in there, okay?
Brady.
Ah!
Brady, look.
Let's see. What's
Hold on, Brock.
Here.
Brock,
This.
Brock, are you excited?
Look, Mom, rescue box.
Whoa.
Are there robots in there, Brock?
But one says Brock and one says Brady. Which
Which-
one says Brock?
Which one says Brock?
That's
That says Brock?
All right. Look, Brady.
Is that
Get
for
this
Brock?
too.
They transform into a car.
Hey, what do we say, Brock?
Thank you.
Yeah. Are you happy?
I'm gonna get Bumblebee out.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Brady.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Brady, you say thank you.
Go.
Here, look, Brady. You can pull them off.
Look,
Whoa.
Dad,
That's
Mom,
fun.
get Bumblebee out here.
Here, look.
I will.
And you can stick them on there. You stick them back on there. And you got snacks.